Climate change, a real threat to coastal areas. Global climate change, marked by rising temperatures due to greenhouse gas emissions, has a great consequence to rising of sea level. This phenomenon poses a serious threat to coastal areas around the world, causing environmental, social, and economic damage. Sea level rising is primarily caused by two factors. The first is ice melt. Global temperature increases led to the melting of ice in the Arctic, Antarctic, and glaciers around the world. The meltwater then flows into the oceans, increasing water volume and causing sea level to rise. The second is thermal expansion of seawater. Just like other substances, seawater expands when heated. As ocean's temperature rise, seawater expands, increasing its volume and raising sea levels. The impacts of rising sea level are wide-ranging and severe, including 1. Flooding and coastal erosions. Coastal areas become more vulnerable to flooding, including high tide flooding, which may become more frequent and severe. Higher waves also contribute to the increase of coastal erosions. 2. Loss of coastal habitats. The important coastal ecosystems such as mangrove forests, tidal marshes, and coral reefs are at risk of disappearing due to the rising of sea levels. These habitats are essential for many marine and terrestrial species and serve as natural barriers against ocean waves. 3. Saltwater intrusions. Rising sea levels can cause saltwater to infiltrate freshwater sources in coast regions. This affects whales and freshwater supplies, disrupting communities and agriculture. 4. Infrastructure damage. Roads, bridges, forts, and buildings in coastal areas are at risk of damage from flooding and erosions. 5. Displacement and mitigation. People living in low-lying coastal areas are prone to flooding may be forced to relocate, creating social and economic challenge. To address the threat of rising sea levels, serious mitigation and adaptation efforts are necessary. Mitigation includes reducing greenhouse gas emissions through renewable energy use, energy efficiency, and environmentally friendly transportation. Adaptation efforts involve constructing seawalls and resilient coastal infrastructure, implementing sustainable coastal management, and relocating communities from high-risk areas. Thank you.